Hello friends, how do you like this format? I hope you appreciate it. I think it's not bad. As you can see, it's already a tablet, my iPad. I had this problem with it. The sound became very quiet and so muffled. That is, there are almost no high frequencies, only bass. So, on this tablet, this is the first generation iPad Air. The speakers are located. You see here, and constantly when you hold it like this, they are this one I hold like this and these places. They get clogged with dirt, I don't know, old skin, something else, some kind of garbage, and are pressed in like this. And because of them, you see, here. It doesn't want to focus now, we'll show you like this, they're clogged. And you can't clean them with anything, and you can't pick at them with a needle. There are all these speakers, you'll pierce the membrane and that's it. There will be wheezing, some kind of grumbling. The sound will change for the worse. How I got out of the situation, you see, an ordinary toothbrush with long hair. And carefully. I start scraping, so to speak.
Вверх, вниз, влево, вправо. Лучше вот так вот. И воздухом вот так вот выдувать все оттуда. Еще раз повторяю, с длинной щетиной. И с мягкой, очень мягкой. И вот таким вот образом. Вверх-вниз. Ну и все. Можно и разъем почистить. Другую сторону.
We clean everything. Look what was at home. How it was. And how it looks now. Everything is clean. See? This is how you can clean the small speaker meshes, even this dust.
Можно почистить мелкие сетки динамиков. Даже она пыль-то повылетала, видно.
That's it. With this I will say goodbye. It was Vyacheslav with you. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe, rate, comment. I'll be glad. See you.